Don't get chained down by awkward engine lifts. Simplify your next engine swap with an engine plate from Mr Gasket. We have lift plates to fit most any 2 or 4 barrel intake manifold. They're a must-have for any engine shop, race team, or even the backyard mechanic, and they make a great gift, so give one to your car buddies. Simply remove your carburetor or throttle body and bolt it on using the included grade 5 bolts. Mr Gasket lift plates are constructed of heavy gauge steel to handle the heavy lifting and are protected by either a durable red powder coat finish or yellow zinc plating. 3 convenient holes provide multiple lift points to balance out the load, and our engine plates won't break the bank, so grab a couple and keep them mounted on your engines to protect them during storage. If you're running or plan to drop a modern LS engine in your ride, we can help you there too. The Mr Gasket LS lift plate not only works with 2 and 4 barrel intakes, it also attaches to the valley cover of your LS engine to provide a convenient lifting point. Removal of the intake is necessary. While you're at it, don't forget to protect your investment and prevent dirt and debris from getting into your engine with our new storage bags. They're made of heavy-duty clear poly material and have the Mr Gasket logo printed right on the bag. Mr Gasket offers 2 sizes to protect your engines, transmissions, cylinder heads, and crankshafts while not in use. Our oversized engine storage bags are big enough to fit a fully dressed big block engine, including headers, and will even fit over most engine stands and dyno carts. The smaller bags are perfect for cylinder heads and crankshaft protection. Thanks for watching. To find out more about our engine lift plates and other great engine accessories, visit our website at mrgasket.com.